Ever wondered why a ball stays still unless you kick it, or why your body keeps moving forward when a car suddenly stops? This is all thanks to Newton's first law of motion, also known as the Law of Inertia. Welcome to Science Bites. Today we'll break down Newton's first law and help you see inertia in action all around you. Newton's first law tells us that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion, unless acted upon by an external force. Things don't just move or stop on their own, there's always a reason. Take a soccer ball, it won't roll until you kick it. And when you stop kicking, friction eventually slows it down. Or, imagine you're in a car. When the car suddenly stops, your body feels like it wants to keep going forward. That's inertia at work. Your body wants to stay in motion. It's the same when something is at rest. A cup on a table isn't going anywhere until someone knocks it over. Without an external force, it stays right where it is. No force, no motion. Now that you understand Newton's first law, you'll start seeing it everywhere. Whether it's cars, balls, or even planets, inertia is always at play. Next time on, we'll dive into Newton's second law and explore how force, mass, and acceleration are connected. Ever wonder why it's harder to push a heavy object than a light one? Stay tuned. Like and subscribe for more bite-sized science that makes the universe easier to understand, one concept at a time.